I'm Rebecca of Pocketful of Poseys. Today's video is a little bit different. It's kind of a little fun video showing you all how we celebrated my sister's birthday, and we did it Regency style. And her birthday was actually in January, but because of COVID we weren't able to all get together for that, so we put it off, and now that we are all vaccinated we were able to get together and have her birthday celebration. I've also included a few clips of some things that happened over a year ago, definitely, whenever it was. I can't exactly remember, when we got together for another Regency day, and so I included some of that since that didn't get made into a video. And I've also included a game that my sister made up, which was a lot of fun, and so I hope that you enjoy this little video. It's just a short one, and so without further ado, let's get into it. Here we go.
Mary would be proud.
Yeah.
Are we ready to play Not Handsome Enough to Tempt Me, a game of tolerability? Yes? Yes! Yes! Not Handsome Enough to Tempt Me is a Regency or Jane Austen version of the game you may know as Kiss, Marry, Kill, or more adult named Things for Kissing. So basically, you will be given 3 Jane Austen characters, and you have to decide whom you would choose to dance with, whom you would choose to propose to, and whom you would push off the steps at Lyme Regis. Excellent. So I would dance with Henry Crawford.
I would probably dance. I would dance with Henry Crawford.
All right.
We need the air.
But now I feel sad for Mr.
Poor
Perry.
Mr. Harry has
He's
to
had
fall off the
his
steps at
time.
Lyme
Push
Regis.
Edmund Bertram off of the steps
Correct answer.
and dance with Charlotte Lucas.
Henrietta Musgrove has a dowry. She's very dull. So So are we dancing with Harriet or Marianne?
That's even
We
worse.
marry Louisa. Who do we kill?
I would kill Louisa.
I would kill Marianne.
We're already marrying Louisa.
Flush the
Marianne is sickly, and so it would just put her out of her
You said
misery.
she's the pretty one though, right?
It's a
Marianne?
mercy
They're
kill.
both pretty.
Yeah, so dance with the pretty one.
Off the steps.
We're gonna dance with the pretty one.
I mean, she's Kate Winslet.
Oh.
We'll
Dance with Marianne, kill Harriet.
Why are you marrying
She's got one foot in the grace
The
already.
stairs weren't good enough.
I'm gonna stand
She's
up
already
for
been down
Captain
this one,
Marvel
that's why she looks
because
like
Captain Marvel is extremely nice and loves his wife. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you spending your time with me. I hope you enjoyed this little look into the things we get up to when we all get together in my family. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and you can hit that bell icon to be notified every time I upload. Stay tuned. Next week I have another installment in the saga of Regency stays. Yes, I've tried another pair. So stay tuned for that next week, and I will see you again on our next sewing adventure. Bye!